How cool are plants? Can you focus on me? Good morning, guys. This week I decided to do a bit of a vlog. I really miss vlogging and I have so much to tell you guys. In one of my last videos, I think it must have been the balloon business video, I spoke about ways that I could like, oh no, it was my additional income streams video, my 11 new income streams. I spoke about one being that I could expand the balloon business to doing more daily deliveries. Wow, that has taken off 10 times faster than I thought it would. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm actually messaging my landlord for this space because see these big ugly yellow beams? There's this one here and there's one along here. I really want to paint them. I want to paint them white or like the same color of the wall just because they stand out so much and I just really don't like them. So I'm gonna message her now and see if that's something I can do. So if that happens, that's something I want to do this week. And yeah, then I've got to start getting ready for the balloon deliveries. Okay, so I messaged my landlord, who I rent this space off, asking if I would be able to paint the yellow beams, and she's just gotten back to me saying, happy for you to do anything, I'm sure you'll make it look a lot nicer. We're painting this week. I'm so excited. It's gonna look so nice. Yes, yes, yes. I feel like I suck at vlogging. Like, I just forget to take my camera with me, and I just went and did 3 deliveries. I absolutely love doing deliveries. It's so exciting getting to the front door of a house and hearing, like, especially when they're for kids, like kids get so excited over balloons, but adults as well. Like, I dropped some balloons to a lady who must have been like, she was older, and she just had the biggest smile on her face because she didn't expect them, and it's just so nice. So love that. It's now Monday night, it's like 5 o'clock and I'm heading home. I'm knackered, absolutely knackered. So I just went on TikTok live. I love TikTok live. I just find it like a really cool way to engage. So yeah, home time now. I'm gonna bring my camera so I can film in the morning and do everything again tomorrow. We've got a few orders tomorrow, and I've also got to finish this ebook. That's mum. All right, I'm going. I'll see you at home. Okay, a little update. I forgot to film, but I've just made up one of the bunches and I'm inflating the other one up here, but the tank has run out. So I got this tank at the start of the last isolation and I thought I'm just gonna get a small one because maybe it won't really take off. Wrong. Our daily deliveries have taken off, so that one's empty. I'm going to get a new one on the way to do the delivery. I only need to inflate another like 4 balloons for this bunch, so I'm gonna take them with me and I'll deliver them in the van. And then I'll deliver them and I'll bring you along for that. I won't forget. Okay, so I have the new tank here and I've just got to inflate like 3 balloons to add to one of the bunches and then I can go and deliver. Welcome to the life of a balloon person. Okay, I've just finished inflating those balloons, turning the tank fully off, and then I'm going to push it down there. We obviously do this quite often, so the tanks fit perfectly and they don't rumble around in the van. And now I'm gonna go and deliver. Delivery 1 is done. I've just gone into my Shopify app to bring up the next address for the next balloons, and it is 9 minutes away. So I'm gonna go deliver that one. Then I'm gonna head back to the office, do a bit more of the ebook, and then I'm going for a walk with a friend at 4. So busy afternoon. So the balloon orders are all finished now. Once I finish an order, I go into Shopify and I fulfill it. That's just so the person who's ordered the balloons knows that they've now been delivered, especially if they were for a present. Oh, this is important. This is my alarm. This alarm goes off Monday to Friday at 1:56 religiously. And the reason that I've continued it is this was an old alarm from my full-time job. For the last probably 8 months of my full-time job, I had a meeting at 2 o'clock Monday to Friday as like an all-hands leadership meeting to discuss like our offshoring that we did. And I kept the alarm going once I finished up my full-time job because nothing makes me appreciate my life more than knowing that this time last year I'd be jumping onto a meeting that I fucking hated. And I hated the meeting because it was surrounded by leaders that just didn't and it wasn't, they weren't positive meetings. They were actually pretty fucking horrible. I didn't like them at all. Didn't align with the other people on there. And yeah, the alarm reminds me that whatever I'm doing, it's going to be 10 times better than what I was doing. And I've just finished up deliveries. I work for myself. I think I'm going to go get some sushi for lunch. Then I'm going to go up to the office, and it's just started raining, so hopefully we'll still walk, but we'll just wait and see. Alright, I have the card, already, I have my mask, and we're gonna go deliver. Okay, first delivery is done. It's absolutely pouring outside. I'm just going into Shopify and marking the order as fulfilled. All done, off to the next order. Okay, the second delivery has been made, but I knocked twice and there was no one answering, so I've tied the balloons to the front door, and what I do is I then fulfill the order in Shopify and I add a note saying left at front door. If we have any issues with that customer saying, oh, I never got them or anything, I have taken a photo, and as per our details on our website, if someone's not home, we have authority to leave them if we deem it's a safe place, and I deemed where I left it for this one a safe space. So that sort of covers us for any issues, and yeah, makes me feel good knowing that like I've done what I can do, and it's just the processes we have in place for the business. Okay, I'm now back at the office, and I just had to get back to a few new balloon orders. But something that's annoying me about my office desk is that I need storage, and I've obviously got these cupboards over here. They're like oh my god, there's a mess everywhere up here. But I want like a little something that you have like next to your bed, like a bedside table that has like the pull-out drawers. I want to have that underneath this desk so I can like chuck all this shit in there. So I thought I'd go on Facebook Marketplace and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So I'm in Marketplace now. If I go to like bedside table, that's nice, that wooden one, but I'm not paying $90 for it. I just want to find like a cheap one that I can like, I don't want an antique one though, and I want one that's fully covered. It's like this one, and maybe I could paint it. I'm gonna message and be like, hey, is this available? Because I like that, and I could literally paint it. I've got heaps of paint here. Oh, she said it's available. Perfect, that was quick. Perfect, that is literally all I need. Well, that was easy. So if I go and pick that up, okay, she's just responded saying that I can pick it up. Cool. Well, we just got ourselves a desk. That happened very quickly. I will bring you along for that. Okay, I just made up those balloons. I actually filmed it on TikTok live, which was so weird. But now I'm gonna go to pick up that cupboard, and then I'm gonna go deliver these balloons, and then I'll come up to the office and pack up for the day. Alright, I'll check. Thank you so much. Oh, no, you're fine. You're perfectly fine. Well, that was awkward. Wrong address. Well done, Celia. Oh, why do I do this to myself? Oh, it's so embarrassing. I just went to the wrong address. Completely the wrong address. Now we'll go to the correct one. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate your help. Thank you. Okay, so I got the thingo. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was. I thought it was small, but this is quite big. I'm hoping it's perfect. I didn't check the cupboards, didn't do anything. I got to the front door and the guy like had to carry it out over his car. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the audio from when I did it, but he put it in the car, which is great. And gonna head home to the office now and I guess inspect it. I have no idea what it's gonna be like inside. It's actually surprising that I bought it because I didn't do any like checking of anything. There was only one photo. Could be a disaster, but we'll wait and see. Okay, I thought I'd show you the cupboard. It's actually so much better than I expected. This is the cupboard. I mean, it's pretty basic. It's a horrible color, but we're gonna paint that. Whoops. Okay, that just flew out. Needs a clean. But overall, that is exactly what I wanted. Now to get it inside. This lighting is atrocious, but I am heading home now. It's about 5:15 and I'm knackered. My brain is fried. I've just announced the winners of my TikTok giveaway and yeah, I'm gonna go home and I will see you on Thursday. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning. I've just had a shower and done my makeup and I'm about to head up to the office. I am filming today, so I'm filming all of the clips for my ebook. And then I've got, I think, 4 balloon orders that I need to get out. So let's go to the office. Okay, I'm now up at the office. It's 9:23, which is a little bit later than I would have liked, but I did do some work in bed this morning. I took my laptop home with me. Now what I'm gonna do is jump straight into my laptop and try and get as much admin stuff out of the way. I'm then gonna pack the balloon orders and then I'm going to film all of these clips that I need for the ebook because I wanna get this ebook done. I've got so many other things that I wanna get done. Like I wanna paint that cabinet, I wanna paint this ugly yellow thing. Like I want to do all of that, but I need to have this ebook done first so that I can feel like, whew, it's done, we're good, get that out. So really need to get onto that filming today, get that finished, and then I want to have it out tomorrow. My goal is to have it done by Friday. If I don't hit that goal, that's fine, but that is my goal. I want to have it done by Friday, and I'm going to try my best to do that. It is, what is the time? 12:09 and I am filming for this ebook. This morning I sat down and I wrote all of these notes, like literally pages and pages of notes for filming. But obviously when I'm filming for this ebook, I need to be filming on this camera, but I'm also screen recording on my phone and it's doing my head in. Honestly, like this is what's really hard about being an entrepreneur. And I've felt this feeling so many times in my life with businesses, like when you want to get something done, but you're having so many issues and you just really want to give up and be like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not doing it. But you have to push through. And I think that's why, like, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And I always think of that saying, and like right now, this is like really testing me and I really don't want to do it. But this is just my own personal little reminder that once this ebook is out, I hope it does really well because this is hard. Making this ebook and this series of videos is really hard. I don't have to do these videos. I could just have an ebook that has screenshots of different things, but I don't think that would be valuable content to the people buying it. So I'm making these videos because I know it will help and it will provide valuable content to them. But fuck me, it is not easy. I'm having an absolute nightmare filming these tutorials. So I'm gonna go and deliver balloons, get them done, and then come back and try and film. Hello guys. It's now Thursday afternoon. I think it's like 5 o'clock or 5:30. I'm just uploading a video on YouTube and it's like a little life update. If you're watching this vlog, that video is already up, so go check it out. I sort of talk about my TikTok growth and kind of my income streams, stuff that I'm working on right now. Quick little update. It's Friday afternoon. I've just finished making up all of these orders and there was another one that came through this morning that got picked up. I'm getting really busy, but I got a lot of my filming done this morning, which is so good. I've still got to do a couple more clips for the ebook, but I'm gonna go and deliver these guys now and then I'll come back up here. So Friday's a little bit crazy. Hello guys, a little update. The ebook that I've been talking about in this series, I have now launched. I'm gonna take these off. It is my How to Do TikTok ebook. So anyone that's been following me for a while or you've seen my last couple of videos, I went viral on TikTok, and I think anyone that's trying to build a personal brand or has a business should be on the platform. And I made an ebook which also has the Facebook page where you've got all the videos of me showing you exactly how I do it. Link to it's in the bio. Let's continue with the video. I wanted to, oh god, the lighting's not great here. It's 10:27 and it's Monday morning, and I was really excited to come up to the office this morning because I have a lot of things that I want to do, and I thought perfect, like today I'm going to smash them out. I finished my ebook, I have a video almost ready to be uploaded. But things are just starting to get really crazy busy. Like the balloon business is going nuts. I've got a lot of orders coming through. I'm also getting a lot of messages. So that's messages coming through our Facebook page of people wanting to order customized things, which is great. Like that's fine. But what it's made me realize is I probably need to spend a bit of time on the website and get the website sort of up it a little bit. So I need to add more products. We're getting a lot of reoccurring orders for things that aren't on the website, so I want to do that. I don't say I'm feeling overwhelmed. I just feel like I'm not achieving things that I want to achieve in my days. Like I find that in the mornings I'm flat out doing all of this like admin stuff, then it gets to like 11:30, 12 o'clock where I have to start making up the balloons. Once I make up the balloons, then I go and do the deliveries, and after the deliveries I am knackered. Like I don't know what it is, but like it gets to like 3 o'clock and I'm like exhausted. Not that I'm tired, it's more like mentally I'm like I can't handle sitting at a desk. I don't want to do any computer work in the afternoons. I just get really like, I think I like not burnout, but I do kind of like, I work too hard in the mornings and in the afternoons, and then I'm like, okay, I need to like chill out a little bit. So yeah, that's where I'm at, and I just want to document it because I think it's only probably going to get busier. I was speaking to one of my sisters this morning. Lily gave me a call and we were talking about it, and I was like, you know what, I'm actually a little bit nervous because I haven't factored in lashes coming back. Like we've got 2 more weeks of lockdown and then beauty can resume, and that means I can be doing lashes again, but where the hell do I fit that in? I think I just need to be more stricter with my time. So anyway, we'll see how we go.